Decorations can improve the functionality of both interior and exterior spaces. While decorations can make your home more beautiful, they make it more organized also. You can't just go ahead and decorate a dirty or disorganized space, you will have to tidy up first. If you have been finding it difficult to put a room to use, you should decorate it. This will make it more ready to serve whatever purpose you want it to. There are several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for you to choose from for your home decor endeavors. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. It is to be recalled that we have been talking about the different types of woods which could be used in furniture making in our previous 2 videos. Let's continue by talking about some more wood types. Maple trees are mostly native to Asia. But they are also found in Europe, North Africa, and North America. The maple wood is sturdy, resistant to splitting, and durable. It can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, making it ideal for kitchen furniture. The heartwood is typically a darker shade of reddish-brown. Sapwood color ranges from nearly white to an off-white cream color. But it can be reddish or golden hue. It has a moderately hard but strong density in grains which are closed and generally straight, but may be wavy. Its common uses include everything from furniture and woodenware to flooring and millwork. It also takes all finishes. Cherry wood comes from the cherry fruit tree. Cherry wood has rich color, smooth grain, and flexibility, making it a popular choice for furniture manufacturers. It also steams easily, making it ideal for use in curved designs. The color is light pinkish brown when freshly cut. It darkens to a medium reddish brown over time. Its density is stiff, strong, medium weight, and moderately hard. It has closed and straight grains. Its common uses include cabinetry, fine furniture, flooring, interior millwork, veneer, musical instruments, paneling, turned objects, and small specialty wood items. Regarding finishing options, light to natural finishes are recommended. Beech trees are deciduous and native to temperate Europe, Asia, and North America. Beech wood is quite durable and resistant to abrasion and shock. Because beech steam bends as readily as ash, carpenters love to work with this wood. It also provides an elegant and dated look to furniture. However, it is not dishwasher safe. Its color is pink to reddish-brown heartwood, sapwood is creamy to pink. It has very hard and heavy density with grain configuration of straight with a fine to medium uniform texture. Its common uses include chair legs and backs, crates/pallets, railroad ties, flooring, food containers, toys, musical instruments, and woodenware. It takes all finishes. Teaks are tropical hardwood trees native to India, Myanmar, Burma, and Thailand. Teak wood is one of the hardest and most durable of all natural woods. It is resistant to rotting, sunlight, rain, frost, and snow, making it suitable for outdoor construction and furniture. However, it is expensive and sometimes hard to find. Regarding color, Heartwood is golden or medium brown and darkens with age. It also has heavy and strong density. Grain is straight. Occasionally, it can be wavy or interlocked. Its common uses include boat building, veneer, furniture, exterior construction, carving, and turnings. It finishes best with wood lacquer. The rosewood trees grow in tropical environments including countries such as Brazil, India, and Madagascar. Rosewood is durable when dried properly. It comes with white chalky deposits that may dull tools and present problems with finishing. However, it is one of the toughest woods. Its color is pink to reddish-brown heartwood, sapwood is creamy to pink. While it has a very hard and heavy density and grain pattern of straight with a fine to medium uniform texture. Its common uses are chair legs and backs, crates/pallets, railroad ties, flooring, food containers, toys, musical instruments, and woodenware. It takes all finishes. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.